into the email or Gmail that has access to these Facebook ads. Then you're going to go to facebook.com, and from facebook.com you're going to come over and go to Ads Manager. Then from Ads Manager, you can select which ad account you want to do at the top. As you can see, you got multiple ads here, but I'm just going to stay on this one right here. Then you're going to come over here to the Create button. Now, things have switched up a little bit, so it might be new for some of you. But to do a call ad, it might look like it's awareness because it has that little megaphone, but you're actually going to come down here to do leads. And as you can see right here, one of them is calls. Then you're going to click Continue. And you're not going to do recommended settings. That's just stupid stuff that Facebook wants to do to get you to spend more money. You're going to do manual leads campaign. Click Continue. You're going to name your campaign. I'm going to do this one, new calls, to be short. This one, you can do a category if you want, but as you can see, they're very specific, so I usually just leave that blank. You want to leave this, the buying type, as auction, and then your main objective, you want it to be leads. As you can see, you can change it here just like I did at the beginning, but you want to keep it as leads. Advantage campaign, if you have a lot of money to spend, you can do that for the budget, but I don't recommend it. A/B test, that's if you have a lot of budget and you can A/B test them, but I would recommend making a completely different ad because it gets very confused if you do an A/B test with the audiences. So the next thing you want to do is go to your ad set, just name it the same thing that you named your campaign, and then just put ad set at the end, just so you know how to look at the data. As you can see, there's a lot of different stuff you can do here. You can do instant forms from manager, instant forms, which these all work, but here we're going to do calls. And then a very important thing here, as you can see, a different page is selected. You want to make sure the Facebook page that you are working with is the one that is selected. So here, let me just drop these down real quick. We're going to make sure that it's selected Creekside Marketing. And this is where you can do your budget as well. We're not too worried about that because I'm just showing how to set that up. You can do a start date, but just make it when you publish. An end date is very specific, like if you have a summer deal or a winter deal going on. For the most part, you just want to run your ads and test to see. Budget scheduling, I don't recommend that. Then your locations, once you want to change, you're basically just going to go and click the X, but for us, we're all over the nation, so we would just leave the United States. But if you wanted to do like, just drop a pin somewhere, you can click this little drop a pin, scroll down, zoom back out. It's a little fidgety. Say you want to do Guatemala, boom, you just put it right there, and it's got all of those cities right there. But I'm just going to click an X on that and type back in. As you can see, you can just type in the places and the zip codes as well. So boom, selected that. Then advantage placements, I really highly recommend that you go to manual placements because you're going to be shown into audience networks, which is just on random apps and websites, which is just a waste of money. And if you don't have Messenger like we don't, then you want that to be taken away. The two big ones are Facebook and Instagram. You can select or deselect those here. Then next, you're going to go to the ad itself. And remember what I said here, just go new call ad. Boom, as you can see here, the Facebook page is selected. The Instagram account is selected down there. If you want to change it, just do the drop-down menu. Then from here, you can choose to select a single image or a carousel. If possible, do a carousel because that will just put a bunch of different ads all over the place there. And if I put some in here, then it would just, let's do an ad preview real quick. You'd be able to click back and forth to see what your images are. There's your text right here. Here's your CRM for events and everything like that. And let's add some image cards just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. This one looks like a brilliant one to use. And then we'll use this one just for reference. Click continue. And as you can see, you're going to write your short headline, then your description. Always fill these out. That's just going to help. As you can see up here, it's saying invalid phone number. Just make sure that you type in a correct phone number. Down here, and that's just how you're going to get a number here. And as you can see, here's the carousel ad, and you can just click back and forth to see the next ad and whatsoever. So yeah, that's how you set up a call campaign. You're going to want to make sure you have a pixel set up, which we will have a video on that in a while. And you can have app events if you have an app. And for offline events, you no longer have to select the domain for that there. And we would basically just click publish. Now it's not completely ready. I have some optimization stuff that I'll do, and we'll have videos for to show you how to do that. But that's the basic setup of how you do a call ad. I hope this video helps, and just click on one of our other videos here for more assistance. And have a great day.